Welcome to Dell SonicWALL Video Solutions. My name is Priscilla Price and I am a Technical Training Senior Analyst at Dell SonicWALL. Today, we will demonstrate how to upgrade the firmware of a Dell SonicWALL firewall. In this video, we will demonstrate on how to upgrade the firmware on a Dell SonicWALL UTM appliance. First, we will identify the current version of the firmware. Then, we will identify the appropriate version of firmware available or suggested by a support engineer. We will download the firmware from mysonicwall.com and then export the current settings from the firewall, and then upload the new firmware and boot the device. Here, for demonstration, we are using a Dell SonicWALL TZ215 wireless firewall. The current firmware version on this device is 5.8.1.6-20. We need to access the mysonicwall.com account for the registered device. Go to Downloads and in the software type drop-down, select TZ215 wireless firmware. Now, all the firmware available for that device will show up. Here, for demonstration, we will download the latest general release firmware, 5.8.1.14-480. As the firmware is being downloaded, we need to log into the firewall's management page. Go to System, Settings, and click on Export Settings to take a backup of the existing settings on the firewall. Now, click on Upload New Firmware. Browse for the firmware file that we downloaded already. Now click on Upload. Once the firmware is uploaded, we need to go through the options available, and here for demonstration, we will be using Uploaded Firmware New. Now, click on the boot icon. This might take around 4 minutes. Once the device completes booting up, log into the management page. Now we are able to see that the current version of firmware on the device has been upgraded to 5.8.1.14-480. This brings us to the end of the video on how to upgrade the firmware on a Dell SonicWALL firewall. Please do visit our website for further products and solutions. I hope this has been informative for you, and thank you for watching the video.